Ladies and gentlemen, comrades and friends, welcome to the week with me, Comrade Fatso. And what a week it's been. Kenya's High Court told Uhuru Kenyatta to redo the election, and the Zimbabwe government told a lady to put on some panties. South African socialite Zodwa Wabantu made headlines this week as the Zim government tried to stop her from coming to the Harare Carnival.
No, Zodwa ndoevanu, Zodwa to the people. That's all I can say.
Ngawe but manje anofana uzungopfeka uzungoto sazonyanyonyaro mimwe vabereki navanhu vakasiyana siyana.
Atotomutenda kuti Zodwa ngauye dei hurumende ipapo yanotika yagona for their best because Zodwa population iri kumuda yakawanda zisingaiti.
Basically, Ann Nira said, "My panties." The government said, "Sovereignty." Zodwa said, "Satan." And Satan said, "How am I involved?" At a time of massive unemployment and a biting cash crisis, our cabinet decided to do the right thing. Tell a lady she should put on some underwear. Yes, instead of debating about how to make Zimbabwe productive again or how to improve workers' wages, our ministers instead spend time analyzing panties versus no panties and public versus private lounge. Knowing that we've got ministers who are former experts in getting diesel from rocks, it's great to know they've now updated their degrees to striptease economics and Wonderbra wisdom. It was all started by a Zimbabwean based in South Africa, former Studio 263 star Ann Nira, who pressured the government to ban Zodwa. Yes, she brought the drama from her soap opera days. Studio 263 is the place to be. There's no other place I would rather be, apart from South Africa. Then government ministers got involved, like Walter Mzembe and Patrick Joao, being like, "No, this is a sovereign Christian nation. We like our women fully dressed, even in overalls. Don't worry about those Brazilian samba ladies. They are not African, so they cannot be un-African in the first place." A new twist came as the censorship board then overturned the ban and allowed Zodwa to come this weekend to the carnival. Onlookers and peeping toms are expected to give her a presidential welcome. She will be picked up in a topless car. It's been a long time since Zimbabweans have been to the airport voluntarily to welcome someone. On the real though, we need to get over this sexism as a country, with men telling women what they should wear. A woman's body is her own, and what she wears is her decision. Meanwhile, while Zimbabweans were overturning panty bans, the Kenyans were overturning election results. Yes, Kenya's High Court made a landmark decision to overturn the Kenyan election results and ordered a rerun. And the whole of Zimbabwe was like, "Can we do that here? I mean, that judge is a patriotic Zimbabwean. Can we indigenize him and have him here for 2018? Yes, Kenya will have to rerun its election because of irregularities. In Zimbabwe, we're just wondering if we can go back to the future. Can we take the 2008 election to the Kenyan courts and have it overturned? And while we're at it, can we get the Kenyan courts to ban those bloody bulk SMSs by Econet?
Hello? Ayo, Comrade Uhuru. Ayo, Koindebi. You're letting us down, Comrade. You're making us look bad. Now people are hopeful and think we're having our own election in the coming year. People think they can overturn. You're setting a bad precedent. Control your people. Uhuru. Fix it. What is this? Uhuru. Hello? Uhuru.
The opposition coalition, the MDC Alliance, had a Blayo rally for their launch, and thousands, hundreds, a few Lions-made vendors pitched up. Oh, that's the crowd. MDC, you need to get your house in order, guys. I've seen more people in the bank queue. Dear opposition parties, in order to get more people to attend your rallies, just follow the tried and tested ruling party formula. Find your local primary school and take all of the school children. Good books with your prophet and take half his congregation. Find some youth militia to gently frog march the local villages. Give away sadza or rice. Ice cream to your enemies. Studies have shown that having your face on all party regalia, especially suits and dresses, is a very effective way of campaigning. Why settle for having the people's hearts when you can also have your face on their clothes? It's only one-way transport, so it doesn't cost much. they can find their own way home from the stadium. The proposed cyber bill is now at the Attorney General's office, so we encourage you to read up on the latest draft and be ready to defend your cyber rights when it gets made public. Thanks for joining us on The Week. Follow Magamba TV on social media. I've been Comrade Fatso. This has been The Week. You have been the people. Thank you. And futseke to Panties if you want. It's your decision.